Sanibonani, igama lami Gulindi. Hello everyone and welcome to our Zulu Basic series brought to you by ZuluMites. Today we're going to look at all the respectful ways to say hello. Remember that hello in Zulu is sawubona. But what do you say to a man you don't know who's older than you? Sawubona malume, which means hello uncle. What about a woman who's older than you? You'd say sawubona sisi. To say hello to your friend, you'd say sawubona mngani. Want to say hello to a group of friends? You would say sanibonani bangane. Saying hello in Zulu is sure to get you friendly smiles in return, so don't be shy. Siyabonga, salani kahle.